Mr. Messed Up, what's happening? Problems come up in the house, let's have a look. I've done a previous video on the Henry Hoover, and you can check that up on the channel. But today, this Henry Hoover's not sucking. So the first thing I did is check the bag, take that off, and the bag is actually, there's nothing in the bag, so it's not the bag. Put that back together. Now the next thing I did was inspect the pipe, and you can see that there is a kink in the pipe as it enters the connector to the Hoover. It looks like it's almost damaged, so we're going to have to take that off. I think that's what the problem is. Maybe there's debris in there blocking the suction, you know, as you try and suck stuff in, and that's the problem. So let's unscrew this first, like so. And you can see the pipe in there which is kinked. So what I'm going to do is try and take this pipe off now by unscrewing it. And there it is, it's off. Okay, now what we're going to do is get a strong pair of scissors and cut the pipe so you get rid of this kinked part of the pipe. There you go. And that's that. Bring it back into the connector. There we go. And as you can see, it's right in. Yeah. And then put it back on. Put the connector back onto the Hoover. Like so. So the connector's back on now with the pipe. Let's see if it's going to suck this debris up here now. Put it on. Oh yes, there you go. It's doing the job. Don't want to suck the scissors in there. Can you see that? It's working fine now. So that was the problem, the kink in the pipe. And save you going out and getting a new pipe and the cost of that. There you go. I hope you found that helpful. Cheers.